I'm Dr. Leslie Baumann. Today we're going to be talking about the best retinol creams and serums for men. As a board-certified dermatologist, I look at clinical trial data when deciding what anti-aging creams really work for men. Retinoids like retinol have the most evidence-based data that they really work. There is no question that retinoids like retinol are proven to improve wrinkles and skin texture. Many studies over the last 3 decades have shown that retinol and prescription retinoids improve wrinkles. Stronger retinoids work better and faster than weak retinols. However, strong retinoids have more side effects. If you want to avoid the redness and peeling associated with retinol, then follow the advice I give my patients. Begin with a low-strength retinol every 3rd night and slowly work your way up to every night. Once you are using retinol every night, then increase to the next retinol strength. Again, start slowly every other night until you can use it without any redness, peeling, or stinging. Keep doing this until you are using a high-strength retinol every night. Then it is a good time to see your dermatologist for a prescription-strength retinoid like retinoid. Tailoring is the strongest of all the retinoids. Your goal is to get on Tailoring 0.1% every night. It may take 6 to 12 months to see a big difference in wrinkles, but acne usually improves in 2 months. For men using an over-the-counter drugstore brand of retinol like Rock Retinol or Neutrogena Retinol nightly for at least 1 month without issues, you will be able to upgrade to a low-strength medical-grade retinol easily. While drugstore brands' formulas are weaker at fighting visible signs of aging compared to medical-grade options, starting with Rock Retinol or Neutrogena Retinol lets your skin adapt to the retinol. If you have been using these drugstore retinol brands, then you can begin a low-strength retinol every night and not have to do the every 3rd night ramp up. But these drugstore retinols are not strong enough to be very effective. Our goal is to get you on the strongest retinol that you can tolerate every night.
I hope this is all making sense to you.
The point is that you do not need to begin your anti-aging skincare routine with a drugstore brand of retinol. If you're using one, it will help you adapt. But the best retinol for beginners is a low-strength medical-grade retinol. I suggest that men who are beginning a medical-grade retinol use either a 2x or 3x strength. These are also often called 0.25% or 0.3%. Now we will discuss my favorite low-strength retinols for beginners. Elastin Renewal Retinol Serum. This low-strength anti-aging retinol also has antioxidants. It contains both niacinamide and coenzyme Q10 to help give cells the energy they need to make collagen. The niacinamide also soothes skin and helps prevent side effects. Most men with oily skin types have an easy time tolerating retinol. Oily types prefer a serum over a cream because it is lighter and less sticky. Derma-made Retinol Plus Bakuchiol Serum 0.25 is a good starter retinol for men with oily skin. Another introductory retinol serum for oily skin types is La Roche-Posay Redermic R. This serum is a bit weaker than the others because it contains retinol rather than pure retinol. It has salicylic acid that helps clear pores, so this is a good choice for oily skin types with clogged pores. Replenix Retinol 2X Regenerate Dry Serum was formulated especially for dry skin types. My male patients love it because it meets clean beauty standards and has anti-redness ingredients like green tea, polyphenols, and caffeine. Another favorite for dry skin types is a soapy Retinol Serum 3X. It also has green tea and caffeine, but it is a little stronger than the Replenix Retinol 2X. Once you have adapted to these low-strength retinols and are using them every night, it is time to increase the strength to a mid-strength retinol serum. There are many mid-strength retinols for men to choose from. Mediture Microencapsulated Retinol cleverly utilizes biodegradable microspheres to slowly diffuse in 0.5% retinol dose to avoid flaking or irritation side effects. Derma-made Retinol Plus Bakuchiol Serum boosts the collagen building power of 0.5% retinol with bakuchiol, a plant extract clinically shown to increase the anti-aging effects of retinol. Sente Even Tone Retinol Cream can be combined with skin lightening serums to lighten dark spots on the skin. It is best for men ages 50 and older because it contains heparin sulfate, which helps older skin cells hear cell signals better. This hydrating light night serum can be used in men with all skin types. The brands Skin Medica and SkinCeuticals also have low, mid, and high-strength retinols, which are on the stronger side. Once you have used the mid-strength retinols every night for a month, increase to the strongest retinols available without a prescription. Once skin fully acclimates every evening to mid-level products, incorporate a medical-grade 1% retinol cream or serum into your nightly skincare routine. These are the best anti-aging serums on the market without a prescription. There are several strong over-the-counter retinols.
And these are the products that my patients like the most.
Skin Medica Retinol Complex 1.0 revives your skin with the strongest OTC dosage. It also contains anti-aging peptides to boost collagen, niacinamide to soothe skin and give skin cells energy, vitamin E, an antioxidant, the humectants, glycerin, and polysorbate to pull water to the skin's surface, and soothing bisabolol. SkinCeuticals Retinol 1.0 is another of the strongest anti-aging serums for men. My male patients with an oily skin type prefer it because it contains alcohol and fewer moisturizing ingredients. Jan Marini Age Intervention Retinol Plus is one of the strongest anti-aging retinols. It also contains hyaluronic acid and peptides. Be careful with this one. It is so strong that you should try it first on top of your moisturizer to make sure you can tolerate it. While potent medical-grade retinol serums provide unmatched anti-aging abilities, I advise my male patients to use retinol within a personalized skincare routine tailored to their Baumann skin type. The proper cleansers and moisturizers used alongside retinol maximize benefits and reduce irritation.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to take the skin type quiz. You need to know which of the 16 Baumann skin types you are so you can use the right products in your skincare routine.
Take the Skin Type Solutions quiz to determine your Baumann skin type, and you will receive a personalized skincare routine and a list of retinol products to choose from that are right for your skin type.
Don't forget to subscribe and keep up with all the latest anti-aging products that are coming on the market.